Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the EVERLIT Care Rescue Pack, a family-friendly first aid kit designed with your little ones in mind, featuring 200 essential medical supplies that ensure you're ready for any on-the-go emergency. This compact and travel-friendly kit is perfect for home, car, or any adventure, with supplies neatly organized in designated compartments for quick and easy access. From colorful waterproof bandages to moleskin protection pads and tick removers, this kit has everything you need to handle minor mishaps with ease. The waterproof bandages come in various sizes, providing durable protection for sensitive skin, ensuring they stay put during playtime. Plus, our Bravery Patch Stickers, featuring 12 fun cartoon characters, turn tears into smiles by rewarding your child's courage with a touch of positivity. To top it off, the kit includes kid-friendly instructions and engaging games, transforming first aid education into a fun and empowering experience for your little ones. So, whether you're at home or on an adventure, the EVERLIT Care Rescue Pack is your go-to solution for peace of mind and preparedness. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.